Ciao, my name is Matteo, I'm co-founder of The Spiritual Machine, and I will show you how to make a perfectly tailored spritz in just 1 minute with our products. Here you see our products. It's tinctures, so it's botanicals in alcohol, and they are 100% natural. How can you make a perfect personalized spritz in just 1 minute? What you need is very simple, just some white wine. Let's do it now. You try and you pour on half a glass of wine. We chose white wine to make a perfect spritz. We use a wine from Piedmont. What else you need? We have a base to make a white vermouth. Here on the Spiritual Machine leaflet you can find some good recipes that you can use, but you can also personalize them. We will now do the white Hugo. So what we need is 2 centiliters of white base. You don't know what's the quantity of 2 centiliters. You can use a coffee cup. Half a coffee cup is perfect. You put half a coffee cup in your wine, in your white wine, and then you're ready to continue with the personalization. Here you find droppers that are designed to put the right quantity of the signatures, which are your personalization. So here we have some of them. It's very easy. You put some herbs. We need 20 drops of herbs, and you just go on like this: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And we move on. So we go with citrus. We have 10 drops of citrus. It's 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Maybe it was 11. And then here we go with flour. We have 15 drops of flowers. Here we already put the dropper. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 11, 13, 14, 15. And the last spices with just a signature of 5 little drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're almost done. What we still need: a couple of ice cubes. You can choose the quantity you want, and then top up with tonic. And voila, ready with your perfect spritz. Salute!